to automate the interpretation of documents. Ja, kijk naar de camera, sorry opnieuw.
So TheValueChain is an SAP-centric consultancy firm. We focus ourselves on ERP implementations, so that's the S/4HANA suite, public cloud, private cloud, on-premise, and we also do the customer experience suite, also focusing on digital supply chain, and of course the SAP Business Technology platform we use for extension suite and integration suite, but also for hyper-automation technologies to facilitate in order to achieve hyper-automation use cases.
So Metamaze is a B2B SaaS platform. It's driven by AI and machine learning, and what we actually do is we automate the interpretation of documents and the retrieval of data from these documents. We've incorporated Metamaze approximately 2 years and a half ago, because we've seen in the market that there's still way too many data entry that's happening by humans, looking into documents, reading them and interpreting manually. And that's actually a waste of human resources.
We really try to focus on very time-consuming, error-prone tasks, which we see a lot at our customers. Entering data from PDF files, that's really a use case that comes up a lot and that we try to hyper-automate, and not only the task of entering the data, but also a complete process that follows these documents that are created in an SAP system.
Basically, we want to get our technology out there as fast as possible, because there's still way too many companies that are processing documents and emails manually. And in order to do so, we need partners, not only to implement our technology as fast as possible at as many sites as possible, but also because typically what we see is that the interpretation of documents is part of a bigger chain and a bigger process where we need complementary technologies such as ERP or CRM systems. And that's why, for example, TheValueChain is a perfect partner for us to help us in eliminating the world from the boring work.
We benchmarked different solutions, and that's where Metamaze, because of this strong AI engine, for example, really came out on top.
For now, we've started working on invoices, purchase order confirmations, but I believe basically any project that contains emails and documents and requires a larger scope in terms of process is a good candidate to automate together. In the long term, I think there's lots of potential for this partnership, both in terms of use cases as in terms of geographies. And I think there's just lots of companies that have documents and emails waiting for us. Now it's just a matter of creating scalable solutions together, such as the invoice posting solution that we can replicate at many customers. And basically have these repeat successes on specific use cases that we develop together.